Hey guys, I have had so many comments asking me to do an updated nail room tour. So the day has finally come. I'm going to give you guys an in-depth nail room tour. If any of you guys watch my nail renovation series, there's obviously been so many changes to this room. Before I keep talking anymore, let's go. Okay, so this is my front door where all my clients walk in, and then this is where they enter through. Over there is like the rest of my house. I'm obviously not going to show that. This is a bed for my cats because sometimes they like to stay by the clients. So this is where the client sits. Obviously, they have all the sample nail polishes, and there's even like a bin of them here. A lot of this, actually all of this is Beetles, and all of these colors here. They have a phone holder here, and then their arms go here. Okay, I'm gonna go over here to this cart. This is kind of just extra storage. It's kind of nice. There's a drawer in here. This is kind of where I put stuff that I want like out of the way. These are all my dirty nail tools before I clean them. I honestly don't even use all that stuff. And then these are lint-free towels, and then in here is just like stuff I don't really use anymore. Okay, so back here, under here, there are so many cords. Like if you're a nail tech, you know the cords are always in the way, so I kind of just shove them under there. But this is where I sit, and my very overdue garbage can. Of course, my beautiful display nail polishes. I love these so much. I got these displays from Amazon. This nail cart is also from Amazon, and along with my nail desk. Okay, so this is something that I've made like one video about, these picture frames. It's kind of just something for the walls, cute decoration, something for the clients to look at. Also, very good reminders right here. Okay, I'm going to show you everything in the drawers when I'm sitting right here. So there's only 2 drawers, and they're kind of messy. And here are supposed to be my like scrubbers. Those are all dirty. I need to clean them. And then just kind of organizing stuff in here. Nail files, soak off things, standing bands, extra glue, I don't even use that anymore, and lint-free wipes. Right here's my flash cure for Jalex nails. And then moving to this drawer, this one's kind of a mess. It's actually an organized mess. I know where everything is in here, like my e-file, cutters, this is for nail polish. Yeah, I probably need to organize that. Okay, moving up here. This is kind of like my main products, like luminary, top coat, nude base, just a lot of stuff that I use very often. Okay, I'm now gonna move down here. These are all of my clean nail tools. Some of my Apres nail tip boxes. Down here, this is what I use for rhinestones and 3D flowers. This is for Aura. It's very difficult, I don't really use those. Okay, of course, my Melody Susie nail lamp for my clients to cure their nails. Also, my nail desk is like see-through right here. It's amazing. Okay, so moving away from my desk, I'm going to show you this new appliance. So, of course, some of my nail polishes, they're so pretty on display. This is all Beetles except for Jodstone and Modelones. Okay, so honestly, these drawers are kind of a mess because they're all kind of junk drawers. It's just all like storage for all my stuff, so I'll show you. These are some more of my nail polishes. Okay, right here. This drawer doesn't even open. It's just pink Pom Puff boxes that, like, they're too cute to throw away, so I just put them in there. Okay, then in here, I have more boxes, Melody Susie stuff, my old shelves, like, a ton of Apres nail tip boxes, so just storage. Okay, moving down here, this drawer is pretty open. It's just like an organizer. And then down here, this is all of my press-on stuff. If you guys have been watching me for a while, I used to do press-ons, but I stopped doing them. Okay, last drawer, this is a lot of my restocks, like nail files, and then some of the stuff that Beetles has sent me, and just stuff I honestly don't use, but I use these a lot. Okay, over here is just like some PR boxes that are too cute to throw away. And also, if you guys have been watching me for a really long time, these are all of my old sets that I've done about 2 years ago. This is very out of date, but I still keep it there just for the memories. And then over here, this is where, like, if my client brings a friend, or like my parents want to talk to my clients or whatever, they can just sit here. And of course, Tiger loves to sit over here. That is it for my updated nail room tour. Let me know if you guys have any other video ideas. I would love to do them. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.